Hello, I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Stephen.
Welcome to our newly renovated property in Croydon.
It was a dump. Hadn't been renovated since 1977 when it was built.
The renovations took us about 18 months.
The whole kitchen itself we smashed up. It was probably the best stress relieving job we've had.
You've got to do your structural things first.
Yeah, done.
Furniture and design is the last thing that we budget for, unfortunately.
This bathroom was created out of space taking the laundry out of the house and actually putting the laundry into the garage. So with that second bathroom, that drove the equity up within the place dramatically. And then we knew we could draw on that to start finishing other things that we wanted. It was a year on, we needed to finish off a lot of the renovations, so that's when I refinanced. We got it reevaluated, and then we knew we could draw on that to start finishing other things that we wanted. It was definitely a discussion that we had from the start.
Definitely didn't hesitate.
No, not at all. We bought the place for $390 and we got it reevaluated at $625 from the bank. We were stoked when that number came through. I think I screamed for a day or so. We knew that we just needed to get through the first year until we could get the place renovated. But we also knew what we had done to the property by adding a second bathroom as well as cleaning it up and renovating would already add equity to the place. I've learned it's not as easy as the renovation shows make it out to be. The one thing I wish I could have changed was that we were living in the house longer before we started renovating, purely because then you understand your house better and you know where you'd like to put things. But at the same time, I would never change it for the world. I've learned so much.